welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being patient. We are going to kick it off with a hybrid video with SILKSONIC's Leave the Door Open.
You're so sweet, so tight. I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the haze. And if you're hungry, boy, I got fillets.
So this new duo is made up of Bruno Mars and Anderson .Paak, and they are two very phenomenal artists. So this song is really complex and musical and really explores a lot of things, but the whole point of this channel is to make things very easy, simple, and accessible for any piano player. So let's get started. We're going to find middle C with our left hand, and we're going to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys. And we're going to place our third finger on F, which is going to be our first chord, followed by G, which is right next door with our second finger, followed by E minor with our fourth finger, and then followed by A minor with our first finger. So for our verse, it's going to stay that way, as well as our chorus. All right, so again, F with our third, G with our second, E with our fourth, and A with our first. All right, let's go to our right hand. So our right hand is always going to be played with our first, third, and fifth fingers. Okay, so most, if not all of these chords are some type of seventh chord. So we're going to be playing our first note, which is going to be in our left hand. So for example, the first note is F, and the chord is major seventh. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, add my first finger, let each finger fall in a key, and play my first, third, and fifth finger. All together, both hands. It's going to sound like this. Ooh, very nice. It's a full, very pretty chord, right? And then our second chord starts with G. So our second finger in our left hand. Then again, count 1, 2, 3. Place your first finger, let each finger fall in a key, and then play your first, third, and fifth. It's going to sound like this. This is a G major chord. And then our next chord is going to be E minor seventh. So then count 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And then lastly, A minor seventh. So our first finger goes on A, and then count 1, 2, 3. Place your first finger there and play your first, third, and fifth together. Very nice. All right, so these are some really pretty chords. Let's try it again. So as a chord, all together. Very nice. So that's the verse. And then we go to the pre-chorus. It's a little bit different here, but very short, so don't worry. Bruno Mars, he does a key change, makes it all fancy. And so from middle C, I want you to count down an octave, just down here. And let's go ahead and place our fourth finger on E flat, okay? So place your fourth finger there, and then again, very similarly, we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Place your first finger and just follow my fingers here and that's going to be E flat major 7th. Okay, followed by A flat major 7th. Just follow. It's a little bit harder here, but you can do it. And then for the, so if you want to, or so if you try to lay in these arms, it's going to start. And then back to G7. And then the chorus is going to be the original chord progression of right here, a little bit different, very pretty. All right, so that was a lot, pretty fast. I just want to go over the pre-chorus one more time, and then I would really recommend just take it slow and learn these chords because there is a lot of stuff going on. It's not a typical easy pop song. But it's a nice challenge, but it's totally doable. So back to the pre-chorus, we're going to find E flat major 7. So with our left hand, let's use our 4th finger. We find this bottom C, count 1, 2, 3 for E, flat for E flat. Place your 4th finger there. And then for our right hand, we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Place your 1st finger, 3rd finger on B flat, and then your 5th on D. So together, I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say, and then we're gonna count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for A, flat, play with your thumb, and then place your 1st from 1, 2, 3, and then 3rd on the flat, and then 5th on the G. So maybe you could just practice that. E flat, major 7, A flat, major 7. And then back to G dominant 7 to the chorus.
What you do